to license it.
Meep, meep.
Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a very special eBay car haul. It's all Ferraris. And if you're a Ferrari lover, you are in the right place for the next 9 minutes as I show you what I have recently procured as the lone bidder on this lot of cars. Test your Ferrari superfan status and see if you can guess which model I'm holding up, one at a time. The 1-year anniversary of my YouTube channel is coming up very quickly, and I've invited all my friends to participate in an all-Porsche build-off. It's not too late to join. Check my promo videos for more information. First car is an F1 model that is quite detailed, and I like the specs on this. If you're a fan of open wheel racing, you'll recognize the SF70H. It's a beauty. And it's one of several, as you can see on the bench, that come in the larger 1:43 scale size. I look forward to working on that. This is the rare black colored Ferrari. It's a 458 Italia. Just compare the different models and makes and the detail that they include, like this Hot Wheels F50. I live in Switzerland, and it's not uncommon to see an exotic sports car like one of these parked curbside, or more excitingly, blowing past you on the Autobahn. So I get a good gander at these pretty regularly. The F355 Spider Cabriolet, European for convertible. Wouldn't you love to wake up and see one of those in the driveway? We can dream. And I particularly like the shape and the lines on the FXX. I've only seen those in black for some reason. But if I was going to change the color of the standard Rosa Corsa red, it would be on a Testarossa, and it would be Don Johnson's white Miami Vice model. Seiko is a German brand, and this is their version of a GTO. This one looks really play-worn, but you know, that's the kind of condition I don't mind getting them in, because this channel is about restoring old cars and making them look new. I rarely buy anything new in a blister pack unless it's for some invitational build-off. So I'm just fine with the condition that you see these in here on the hobby bench. The 250 GTO, or any number GTO, always looks spectacular to me. This is one of the first cars that I did on my channel, and I did it in red. Here's the namesake of the company founder and master car builder, Enzo Ferrari. So beautiful. One of my favorites in this collection is the P4. Such sexy lines on these. Here you've got rear glass where you can see the engine, and there's one parked on one of our Euro cobblestone city streets. Is all I can say. The 456M is a small coupe. Kind of got a Porsche 944 look to it, doesn't it? But I have found since living in Europe, you're either a Porsche man or a Ferrari man, and there is no in-between territory. Here's the 550 Maranello, and that's named after the village where the Ferrari factory is located in northern Italy. And very interestingly, I was able to visit there about a year ago in the summer on my birthday, right at a shift change. and I thought the workers were going to stone me to death, or at least my little German sports car. Perhaps the most beautiful in this collection, in my opinion, is the classic 250. I've never seen one in real life. I have seen them on display in Maranello in the museum. If I work on this 365 GTB, I will do away with these demon flames, of course. And again, that's part of the hobby, fixing them up and reimagining them, or straight restorations. And now we can see some of the larger models that I've got. V-Power is a common brand over here. This one needs some new rubber on it, and it's actually a plastic model, as is this one that I'm holding, another Enzo. And I'm looking at these and wondering, hey, I've got a possible wheel swap here, and I might investigate that. Might be able to make one good car out of two. Here comes another Barago. This is their 599XX. Metal body and a plastic base on it. I'm impressed with the amount of detail on this car, but it still is going to require some TLC in an upcoming restoration. This is the 512BB. Interestingly, it has one-piece plastic molded wheels instead of the rubber tires that are most common in the 1 to 43 scale size cars. And also from Barago, this is the Challenge Stradale in Italian colored green, white, and red racing stripes. Very sharp looking lines on this one. Here's one more Testarossa in the larger size. I remember seeing these when they were on the road in the 80s. They're very, very wide. Interesting for a Ferrari. And the last car is a La Ferrari. I think they were running out of names at this point, but not out of styling lines. So sharp looking. And this one is in marvelous condition. I hope you've enjoyed this trip down Ferrari Lane with me. If you're a fellow enthusiast, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and become a new subscriber to my Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers channel. I'd welcome your feedback and your respectful comments below. Since this video was made, I've won another eBay haul, smaller one of 5 more Ferraris, so the collection continues to grow. If you'd like to do a Ferrari build-off, let me know. I'm the guy to talk to. You are welcome to return anytime, and I hope you will, and often. It's coffee time.